Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to instantly teleport to your house in Roblox Wanted. This is a super helpful tutorial for beginners, so if it helps you out, please like and subscribe. Let's do this step by step. First, press the F key on your keyboard to pull up your in-game phone like this on the screen. Next, look at the phone menu, click on the house icon right here, and then select Yes to confirm. As you can see live right now, we instantly teleported straight back inside the house. Before you try this yourself, there is one crucial requirement. Check your wanted level. You must be under 2 stars for this shortcut to work. If you have 2 stars or more, the game will block you from teleporting until you successfully escape the police. If you only have a 1-star rating, this will still work perfectly. And that is one complete tutorial on how to teleport home instantly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.